How to add vanilla Visa gift card to Amazon account. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the video. Open up a browser that you prefer on your device. Now in the search bar, go ahead and type in for amazon.com and give it a search. Now make sure that you are logged in into your Amazon account. Once you are logged in, you have to scroll to the very top. Select the option of account and list. Then from here, all of this option, you will see the option of gift card. Go ahead and tap on the gift card option. Select the option of redeem a gift card. Now in this dialog box, enter your 16-digit number that is at the back of your gift card. Then tap on apply to your balance. Next step is to refresh your browser to see your current balance. Refresh your website and check on your balance by tap on View Balance History. And if there is an upgrade on your balance, you will know that your gift card has worked. If you face any of the difficulty regarding the process, you can check out the help and support from Amazon. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.